Hey everyone, I just got a delivery and I thought I would share it with you. I put this out on Twitter that these were being delivered today and that I would maybe do an unboxing, so I'm just gonna do that. These are the Bose frames and they're basically Bluetooth sunglasses and they have little speakers in them, and so I know it sounds silly, but I was like, why not? So we're just gonna get into it and unbox this just so you can see what you get. This is not a full-blown review or anything like that. So basically this is the style here. This is called the Alto style. There is another style as well. It's called the Rondo. It's more round. I like this one, even though it's a little bit wider. I think this looks more like a pair of sunglasses I would actually own. So I wanted to try this, and this one has more lenses that I've seen. They have interchangeable lenses that you can buy additionally, and so I've seen they have like a silver, which is more of like a reflective, and those are the only lenses that are polarized. Then there's a, I think there's a blue, and then in the Rondo though, in the round ones, I saw that they actually had a rose gold, and if you happen to have those, and you want the rose gold colors, instead of buying them separate for $30, I saw them on Nordstrom Rack for only $10. So I can't imagine that many people are rushing out to buy them or know that they're there. So if you happen to have the Rondo and you want the rose gold, get them there. And then I believe they also have the blue. So, all right, so we're gonna pull off the sticker here. There's gonna be a model number, like a serial number, and you're just gonna pull off the little strip like this. There's one on both sides. So a few things with this. This is, I believe it was just released this last Christmas season, and I believe this is like the first time that they've done this. It's not the only ones on the market, and these come in, and Bose is universally priced, as you know, so you're gonna find it the same price everywhere. These come in at $199. So what you have here, so when you look at it, this is the case that it comes in. It kind of looks like one of their Bose little sound speakers, and this little clasp here is magnetic, and it kind of just opens up like this, and the glasses are inside, and it comes with this bag, which also doubles as a cleansing cloth. So also it feels like there's something in here. I'm gonna open this real quick. I don't know what's in here. This is the actual USB charging cable, and it looks like it is it's a proprietary, I did hear that about it. It is a proprietary cable that is a magnetic one that goes in here. I believe that you can't charge through the case, you have to charge connected to just the glasses itself. So that's kind of a bummer. I wish that they didn't have it like that. Let me pull this off here. And you can see that the inside of this arm here, that is where the little proprietary cable, and I will show you, undo this. So this is where the cable is going to snap into, like that. So the cable itself is fairly short. It's only a couple of feet, maybe if you're lucky. So it's only as wide as here. And the sides themselves, I know they look a little bulky, and that is by design because basically inside of these mechanisms here, they have the speakers. I can see if I can try and zoom in on this for you. I know there are some sunglasses that will use more like the Bluetooth ones that use like the bone density and kind of, this does not have that. It basically has a tiny little speaker that fits right here on the back edge that when your sunglasses are on, then it kind of goes right into, the sound goes into your ear without the whole thing wrapping down. Now, some bad sides are, if someone is standing super duper close to you, they're gonna hear your music. But one thing, as you put these on, you're kind of immersed in the sound of the music, but you can still see and kind of hear some of the stuff that's going on around you as well. But one thing I will say, then when I was in the store checking these out, and from any of the reviews that I've tried, is that one, the battery life isn't great. You know, you're only gonna get a couple hours out of these and then you have to recharge again. So for some people that's great, some people that's not great. And then, you know, when they're not Bluetooth, then they're just sunglasses. And also if you wanna have them be music, you probably don't want to be wearing your sunglasses inside, you know, running around wherever you are. So that could be a draw. So you really have to have it in the right conditions. You got to be short distances, short times, and outside when it's actually sunny. So enough with that. I'm going to go ahead and put them on. You may see some reflection from the lights, but basically one thing that I don't like about these as well is that there's a little bit more so on this style than on the Rondo side. There's kind of a gap at the top here, so it comes a little bit away from your face. So also if you have sun, you know, coming down from you, it's going to kind of creep in a little bit, which isn't great. I think these look like sunglasses I would actually wear and purchase. So I like this style better than the Rondo, even though these are a tiny bit wider. And then another thing is that these kind of slant a little bit. So one thing is like you can't, okay, so I accidentally hit the button that I'll show you where it is, but that button is how you can answer calls, how you can use like Siri, and how you can, apparently you can tap it a few times and like skip songs or, you know, go to the next song. And so that's kind of cool. One thing that is missing from this, She's still talking. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't. If I put it closer, and it's one of those things you may have to be super close to me to hear it. But basically, it says that you have to download and connect through the Bose app on your. I heard it was just released on iPhone first. Eventually, it came into Android. They're going to move into the realm in the future of doing some of these AR assisted type things. They're not there. Let me see. I don't know if you can hear that. She just keeps talking in my ear, literally in my ear. So yes, you'll download an app, you'll get it all synced up, and then, you'll charge it. So I'm excited to try these out. I'm going on a trip. Basically, I leave tomorrow morning, and I'm excited to try these out. Oh my gosh, stop. I don't know if I can tell her to be quiet. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you have any questions on these, let me know, because I'll be testing these out over the next, week or so while I'm on vacation, and I'll see what I can do about answering them or putting them in real world situations or whatever else. Also, side note, it is not waterproof. It's kind of one of those splash resistant type things. So just FYI. And I believe that there is more functionality in the iOS version with the app than there is right now currently in the Android, so maybe that's something that is coming. The biggest things I hear are poor battery life and basically no bass at all. None at all. And yeah, so this may not be for everyone, but I thought, why not? I'm gonna give it a shot. I will report back. Thank you for watching this unboxing. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.